Yeah, got it.
He's with the camera.
Camera ready, sir.
Yes, yes.
So we are joined here with Mr. Deepak CM, a very senior coach, I would say. And today we'll be looking at. We are actually in his sports store called the Soccer Sports, and very much privileged to be here. He was also one of the person who took us for the game, and the kids video that you all saw, who was cheering at the stadium with innovative chants. It was from his academy, the Universal Soccer Academy, where he coaches. So Deepak sir. I mean, we know each other through A license that we've done and everything, but you're also known as a person who has lifted Lakshadweep as a place, as a footballing hub, and you've also helped, get them be part of the Indian football family. So, if you could start with, how did you get into coaching?
Basically, actually, I started with I owe everything to my guru, Mr. Olympian Rahman sir. So I was a student while I was playing, and after I stopped football, he welcomed me to his academy. He started the Universal Soccer Academy. Then slowly I did my NIS, I did my license courses and everything. So I owe everything to him actually. So that's how I started in Calicut.
Now, what is the story behind this store? Why did you open a sports shop? I mean, it's going to be a stupid question, but still asking. There are many stores ahead, around the circle itself. So, any competition, or is it in good spirit?
Yeah, because I love football and I'm always into sports. And actually, me and my partner Ashraf, we played together from 12 years old. We started football. Then Ashraf went and got some job and came back after he took the voluntary retirement. Then we started this store so that we can see all the footballers, the kids who actually this thing when we sell something, it gives joy to the children, right? So this is sports. So when somebody buy a football, it's immense pleasure. So that's also it's a good thing. And my other business also, every its partners are all footballers,
Right.
whom I played with from childhood itself.
So it's a great companionship on and off the pitch, right? And it's related to football. That's something amazing. Now let's come to focus on the main thing, which is you drove the entire force of Lakshadweep coming into picture of Indian football, and they've been giving a good fight in Santosh Trophy. So how did that entire thing play about, and how did you become instrumental and key to Lakshadweep coming and being part of the football family?
Okay. So the Santosh Trophy was held in Calicut at that time. And actually in Lakshadweep there is no coach, not even a single V license coach is there. So they invited me to take over the team. So I started in Calicut actually, and that year itself we did very well. And it was actually history, like Lakshadweep playing for the first time. They beat former lot of other teams like Telangana and all we beat. So it was a great entry for Lakshadweep. And in Calicut, the crowd, they supported us very well. So that's how I started. So then I understand that there is not even a single coach in Lakshadweep. So what I did was I am an instructor of the Premier Skills also. So we went there, we did a course for 24 coaches there. Then I understand the passion for football in Lakshadweep because everywhere there is playing football. In the beach, in the ground, between the coconut trees, everywhere is playing. So then AFC also helped me very much because Mr. Dinesh went directly there and did the D license course. Now we have 24 coaches there. Now the academy also started. The government actually took initiative to start an academy. Now they are running an academy by the government only. And a lot of other small camps are there. And after this is the fourth year Lakshadweep is playing, and we are one of the actually giant killers. Like the passion is now getting across all over India. The Lakshadweep is actually one of the teams you have to look for.
Yeah.
Because there is only 70,000 people there, but the passion for football is immense in Lakshadweep.
Right. Being from Calicut and it's a footballing hub, right? We've seen now how slowly there's a fan base building up for Gokulam Kerala FC. So, what according to you is the reason that this place is so immensely popular for football and people are just crazy and passionate about it?
Because Calicut is always famous for the passionate for footballers. So, you know, nearby district is Malappuram also.
Right.
So, from Malappuram and Calicut combined, I think it's covered almost half of the passionate people in Kerala, whole Kerala. So, even you can find that in Kerala Blasters matches also, most of the spectators are from Kerala, Calicut and Malappuram.
Right.
So it's good that we have a team. Right now we have a home team like Gokulam FC, and you have seen directly how the spectators are passionate. And we have in Calicut, we have the most number of academies also. We have 62 academies in Calicut district only. So that's also a big boost, and we have coaches also. A lot of more than 150 coaches are here in Calicut district only. So I think it's now Calicut will have a great place in Indian football for sure.
Yeah. Now let's talk a bit about the academy that you're coaching at, the Universal Soccer Academy. What is the history or the philosophy of the academy, and what is your expectations from the academy going ahead?
Yeah. So actually, I told you about my guru, Olambin Rama sir. His vision was to build footballers, not only playing football. So I'll say the holistic development. Like they should be technically good, tactically good, physically good, and psychologically good. And the education also, we look for the education also. So I would say if you go for winning only, the place won't develop. If you go for the development of the place, you won't win matches. So academy concept is like that. We have to develop the players only, not the matches. We don't win many matches, but we develop a lot of players.
Going ahead now, if I had to ask you, what do you expect from yourself as a coach, and what can we expect from Lakshadweep more from football?
Now we are looking forward to conduct next course like the e-license course, the grassroots course in Lakshadweep. So AFF already gave permission to do the course. So we are looking forward to build from the grassroots itself. Now they are raw players. They are just raw players in Lakshadweep. Now we are doing it technically and tactically. We are building the team like the academy concept is going to happen in Lakshadweep.
Finally, you're also an instructor, and how different is coaching and being an instructor?
Yeah, instructor, like I am the instructor for the E-license as well as D-license. So coaching is totally different, and instructor's job is totally different. Yeah. So I am one of the lead instructors in E-license. So I travel to each and every corner of India. So next week I'm off to Meghalaya, Shillong. So last month I did 2-3 courses in Chhattisgarh also. So as an instructor, I have opportunity to see each and every part of India and the culture and how is different from Kerala. So I am enjoying right now. I'm enjoying the instructor course. Like I can see each and every corner of India.
Right. Thank you so much for joining us and for having us over at your store. Well, that was Deepak CM coach, and he's also, by the way, taking us to the most known Koyappa Sevens football tournament, and we're going to head there. So shout out to him, and thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.